Hello everyone. I'm making this urgent video about Zilliqa because I'm seeing a couple of alarming signs with the indicators, the price action and the level 2 order book. What I'm looking at specifically right now is a couple of things. So the first thing here that we need to see and watch out for on the 1 hour chart is the fact that after we broke out of this major triangle we had here, this descending triangle, the volume at the breakout wasn't really the greatest compared to what we had before. So that kind of showed a bit of a weakness in terms of what the buyers are looking at right now and reacting with the price action, specifically the resistance line we had over here. So for the most part, I think if we draw this over here, so it formed some sort of a triangle here, descending triangle that it failed to break out of, and as soon as it failed to break out of it, went below, it hit the 55 EMA on the 1 hour chart, and you can tell that everybody was looking at this one, starts to sell off, and now we're going sideways a bit. Yesterday we said that unless we break out of this, we see some sort of price action above this region right here, then we're going to continue to retrace back down. It looks like we are right now we are stuck between the 100 EMA and the 200 EMA. So this is some sort of a no trade zone until we see a break out of it or below it. Right now, the fact that the volume at the breakout wasn't the greatest and the fact that we fell over here is just kind of telling me that there is weakness of momentum. Even if I'm looking right now at the MACD, so over this period of time from here all the way down to here, we were supposed to sometime soon here see a some sort of a uptick, and we did see it right here, but it was just that 1 bar, 1 hour, and very low. Then we went back down again, and same thing here. So it's just telling us that there aren't a lot of buyers looking at this right now, and it's just telling me, so volume is increasing, sell volume is increasing, buy volume is decreasing, we're going down. So looks to me right now that it might be continuing to retrace down unless this 200 EMA holds. Now, just to give you another example, if we're looking at the level 2 order book here on Binance, if I try to maybe go to 0.01, sure. So maybe I would say almost 5 minutes ago I was looking at this, we had more buy volume leading down to 0.7 area as opposed to leading up to the 0.08, which is telling us right now in terms of just gauging the market and where people are placing their buy and sell orders. We had previously and right now we had more buy orders on the bottom side more than the top side, and more buyers than sellers for sure. But looks like we might actually go back up to retest the 0.08 region, but I just see a lot of sell volume at the moment. And even looking here too, I don't think we have enough momentum here, guys. So if we're going back to the 1 hour chart, we're testing the 200 EMA right now. We did form this descending triangle, I guess, too, with the bottom being on this side, and looks like we're testing it right now. We're going to an apex, and the EMAs 200 and 100, we're stuck between those, so this is like a no trade zone for me at least. The RSI on this in this area right here is sorry, this is the MACD. The RSI is the red one here. So on this chart, guys, I have my RSI in red, where this is the 70 and the 30 region. So anything above is oversold, anything below is anything below is overbought, everything above is oversold. And this is the stochastic RSI, just to give me a bit of a more sensitive reading to see what's happening. Right now I just see a continued downtrend, and we are going below levels here that we were finding support at the 37 and all that. So it's just showing me that there's a lot of weakness of momentum here. It's a bit alarming for me. We did give it a chance to bounce up, but it just doesn't look like it right now. Same thing with the MACD. We're not really seeing that upside tick. So overall, still no signs of going up yet. And I'm most likely, I would say for the time being now, I'm more leaning towards a continued retracement, most likely back to the maybe 0.07 region. So make sure you stay tuned. You can join our Discord to see those trade signals much faster. And if you like this, please comment, like, and share, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.